FEMA does not take unauthorized disclosures or breaches of the Privacy Act lightly, so there are serious consequences for improper disclosure. At a time when disaster applicants have their lives turned upside down, it is important for FEMA to be the caretaker of personal information and follow all appropriate policy and procedures. This includes using Privacy Act cover sheets when exchanging documents and not leaving NEMA screens open on your computer when leaving your desk unattended.
DHS is trying to build a culture of privacy where at every stage in the applicant's process and the government's process in approving that application, we need to think privacy.
We're responding and we're moving quickly to respond to disasters and emergencies, but at the same time, we're safeguarding information, making sure that we have the appropriate authorities in place. We're asking the right questions, contacting the right program offices.
The FEMA employee must take into account the privacy interests of the applicant and protect it to the fullest extent.
It is a criminal act for an individual to willfully disclose PII in any manner to any person or agency not entitled to receive this information. That individual can be charged with both criminal and civil fines. These fines can be up to $5,000 per record of breach. It is important to understand that this means personal liability. FEMA does not cover any FEMA representative's legal fees or payment of fines. If the guilty person is a FEMA employee or a FEMA contract employee, this can result in job loss. If the guilty party represents a state or local government, that state or local government will face the possibility of losing privilege of disclosure. FEMA may pursue recoupment against the state for any mitigation costs.
The non-compliance with the Privacy Act can hurt FEMA quite a bit.
Privacy breaches such as improper disclosures and records management mistakes can cost FEMA millions of dollars to mitigate against the breach. There are other consequences as well.
It undermines the confidence that the people and Congress have in our agency to perform its functions and could put us at risk of having any sort of tangible function in the future.
It can hurt you. You can be subject to fines, discipline, even the loss of your job.
FEMA representatives working in disaster assistance are at the forefront of helping disaster survivors rebuild their lives. You are the one who they trust to protect their information. You are the one who FEMA trusts to protect our reputation. You are the one who needs to treat the disaster applicant's personal information as your own.
Because
if it was your information,
wouldn't you want us?
When you want us,
Wouldn't you want us?
Wouldn't you want us?
Wouldn't you want us to protect it?